Would you like an easier, quicker alternative to grow garlic and onions and spinach this year? I'm going to show you 5 easier substitutions that you can plant for some of the most common things we like to cook with in our kitchens. Everybody should be growing these plants. They're super easy, and once you plant them, you'll never turn back. So let's dive in. I'm gonna go ahead and share this with you today, even though it literally has poured and stormed this morning, but I've gotten a somewhat of a reprieve. So I'm gonna show you a few little cheats in the garden, some of the most common plants that we like to have and varieties that are sometimes pretty difficult to grow. One of them is spinach, and I have failed at spinach so many times that I can't even tell you how many times. But I have discovered a very neat alternative, actually 2 of them. This I'm showing you now. I've discovered a couple of really cool alternatives that I have in my greenhouse. And this is one of them, and this is called tatsoi. And it is very mild and tastes a lot like spinach. And you can do all the same things with this plant that you can with spinach. You could put it in salads, you can cook it, you can chop it, you can freeze it, you can add it to sauces, and it is really easy to grow. It's a more of a cool weather plant, but I started growing these and they kind of limped through the summer, and they made it through, so they will survive in warmer climates. And here in zone 9B it got pretty hot this summer, so I do have them in a little bit of a greenhouse. I don't have a shade cloth, but they don't get quite as much sun in here, so it's a little more protected from the heat. So if you wanted to grow these in a little bit hotter weather, you probably could, but like I did, but you probably need to protect them a little bit, maybe a little bit of a shade cloth part of the day. This is perpetual spinach, and I usually harvest them before they get too big because I like them as smaller leaves, and they are bomb proof. This is from last year. I just clipped them off and I keep harvesting and they keep coming back. And this is in the Swiss chard family, but it's called perpetual spinach because it will grow in the heat, and it can tolerate our summers, it can tolerate our winter, as long as I have it a little bit protected from a frost. They have survived, and they are super easy to grow, and you can find these seeds just about anywhere. It's in the Swiss chard family, but it tastes, looks, and does everything just that's similar to spinach. So I just wanted to share with you some of these neat substitutions that you can do. They're just so much easier when to plant and how to maintain them, and you don't have to buy special kind of soft neck, hard neck, cold versions, warm versions. Usually just get ordinary onion chives and plant them from seed, and you can get ordinary garlic chives from seed, and once you start them, you have them pretty much forever. And they're very low maintenance and very low care and super delicious. So I just wanted to share that with you today. And as always, I'm really happy that you spent the time with me. I really appreciate it. And I hope you found this video informative and got some tips out of it to inspire you to try something new in your garden. And until next time, I hope you go out and make yourself a great day.